This video is to show you how to promote your classified advert to bring it to the attention of more potential buyers by buying a promotional boost on our Facebook page. You pay just £10 and we spend all of that on boosting your advert on Facebook. Firstly, log into your account. Go to My Active Listings and select the listing you want to promote. Click on Manage this listing. Next, click on the little icon that's got a green cross on it. This is the upgrade button. Now select the Facebook promotion button, but before you proceed you can click on the little question mark and that'll give you more details about this promotional option. Once you have selected the Facebook promotion button, scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Next Step. On the next screen, select the Checkout button. Now fill in your debit or credit card details to pay the £10 cost and select Checkout. You have just bought a promotional boost on our Facebook page where your advert details will be shown for the next 5 days on the home pages of up to 80,000 Facebook users who have shown an interest in the type of vehicle you are selling, giving more potential buyers immediate access to your advert. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.